Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To change the cabin filter in this car, you're going to want to come through the passenger side. It's down here on the floor, up in the heater box. There's 3 screws, 7mm head, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to go ahead and take them out. Once those are out, you want to pull down on the kick panel. Kind of goes, that has a little inlay right there. Put that down. Open the glove box. And before it reaches all the way down, you'll see the ears have tabs on them. Push up. Place the airbags on the floor. Now you'll see the access panel to the cabin air filter. 2 tabs, 1, 2. Let's see what kind of surprises we have. Whoa. Gotta be careful with this. If you get any of those acorns down that blower motor, we're gonna hear a noise. At this point, I'm going to stop and I'm going to get a vacuum because I can already hear the acorns falling down into the blow motor. And now we're going to have to take the blow motor out, because the cabin air filter was loaded with acorns. So they fell down into the process, into the cage of the blow motor. If we don't take the blow motor out and remove the acorns, when you turn the blower on, you'll have a major vibration sound, and of course it will sound like rocks. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect the power, pushing on with that tab and pulling out. Pull down on the harness on that clip. And there's 3 Phillips screws. I'll leave that one in a little bit. Go to the back. Oh, here we go. So now with the blow motor out, we can see all the acorns that manage into the cage. But there's a ledge up here. And we have to get all these out before we put the blow motor back in. If you have access to air, I'm going to use a blowgun to get the rest of the acorns out in the ledge. Here you have your cabin air filter with only 44,000 miles. Depends on your living arrangement, where you live, close to trees, woods. 15,000, every 15,000 the cabin air filter should be checked for maintenance. Now we're going to vacuum up this mess from this cabin air filter, but first make sure you pick up the screws. I'm going to install the cabin air filter, the new one. Now I'm going to reinstall the blow motor. It's just basically reverse procedure. So once you have the blow motor up in place, all 3 screws tightened and snug, it's time to reconnect. Line it up, push till you hear the click, and reattach the harness to the clip. To reinstall the glove box, I'm going to insert it here. You'll see the ear tabs. Let's show you. They run all along the base here. They're going to go in line and lock in. Now I can put the kick panel back. This has a tab in the back, on the left and on the right, and that one bolt hole that goes over there.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.